Alright, let's dive into some of the wildest headlines making waves right now. First up, the US just voted against a UN declaration supporting Palestinian statehood. Now, most countries backed it, seeing this as a step toward that elusive two-state solution. But the US? Not so much. They called the declaration a misguided publicity stunt, worried it would boost Hamas and derail any real peace talks. One of the biggest sticking points? The right of return for Palestinian refugees. The US says that could mean the demographic death of Israel.
Heavy words, right? It's a classic case of global consensus hitting a brick wall of US caution, and narrator Sir David Frost, Sir David Frost chimed in from the grave. I inspired Tuhi Turl brothers to make this year Jerusalem after the Six-Day War in 1967. It has a spin-out interview with David Ben-Gurion. See Terry Turl YouTube uploads, film 35. In contrast to the current Knesset, Ben-Gurion shows compassion, resilience, and an ambience carried on by Levi Eskol and Golda Meir, filmed in this awesome doco.
Gap 5S. Switching gears, let's talk about Optus, the telecom giant in Australia. Massive outages recently, and tragically, those blackouts have been linked to 4 deaths in Victoria and South Australia. Optus has apologized, but apologies only go so far. A big fine is likely on the way. And honestly, it's a reminder, when our tech fails, the consequences can be deadly. That's traumatic, no question. Now, something that really got me thinking. There's this story about Charlie who was shot down in broad daylight. His wife, she forgave the shooter. She said that's what Jesus did at the cross. Offered love and forgiveness, even to those who hurt him. That's powerful. But then you've got Donald Trump chiming in saying, I can't love my enemies, I hate them. And his followers? They back him up. It's a sharp contrast. Forgiveness versus vengeance. So here's my hot take. Global politics, tech, failures, personal tragedy, the choices we make, who we support, who we forgive, shape the world just as much as any headline.